Oh, I woke up at 10:45 today. It's miserable outside. It's in the rain today. It's raining a little bit. Now it's raining again. I thought I'd call Chris, and Chris will pick up the phone for some reason. I don't know why, but anyway, he won't pick up the phone for some reason. I don't know why. In the kitchen, folks. Kitchen. Um. So anyway, having a great day overall. But for new better. I took a nap. Woke up now. I watched a movie at 1 to 3, and then 3 to 5. I watched a movie called Ice Cream Man. It was scary. And the first movie I saw was a movie about toys that are powerful. And if the guy had like control over them, and it did, the world will blow up. And we've happy ever after. Now after that, I saw Ice Cream Man, and then I'm here. So anyway, I need to fall asleep at 5:30, and I woke up at 6 o'clock. And I said, "What time is it?" "Oh, it's 6 o'clock." So I tried to call my dad. I'll try to call my dad right now. I hope he picks up. You know.